I want to talk about a website that I think is very useful called find-me-online.net. Because of all the recent data breaches, this website that I designed a few years ago will help you find and delete your personal information. Hi, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC, Cyber News and Reviews. I want to talk about findmeonline.net, find-me-online.net, because of all this privacy problems on the internet. And there's a lot of links to search engines that can help you find places where your private information is up, and you can often have them remove it. I know because of the Facebook privacy problems and the data releases and things like that, I just want to let people know that there's a website with tons of search engines, including copyright databases and Google, which is everybody knows about, but there's other engines that can help you find your personal information. And once you find it, you can ask those websites to have them remove it. They may or may not, but at least you can find it and locate where your personal information is up and try to get it removed. Many of these sites will remove it. There's a lot of address databases where you probably don't know your name and address are listed, but you'll find it. And there's a lot of sites. A lot of people use findmeonline.net with the hyphens to try to find copyrighted materials that have been used by someone else without permission. Their software, and they're selling it for their profit. There's a list of search engines and areas where you can search. Another good place to search is eBay if you're worried about some of your books have been taken and copied and then somebody's reselling. It happened to me in a book in some software that I was selling one year, and I found that someone had taken my software, put their name on it, and started selling it, and I stopped them from doing it. And now with all this data breaches and things like that, you want to find out where your information is and try to get it removed. And it's free to use. There's no charges to go to the website. One other engine that is useful is to search on Twitter for your personal information. Some people might be using it, and there are databases that store Twitter and Twitter posts and things like that. If you're looking to find people, there's pipl.com, and you probably find yourself on there. Anyhow, if you like this vlog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is in the right side of the screen.